Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Season 5 Seed Pack in Garden game of Roblox BCB Event Update Part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. There's a new season, which is Season 5 in Garden. You can go to the Pass menu, and as you can see, now it's Season 5. And then if you want to get the Season 5 seed pack, you can go to the store and buy the Season 5 seed pack from here. And it costs 150 coins. And these are what you will get from the seed pack. And the rarest seed is the band bark. Oh, sweetheart flower, loomy shroom, astrobush, cocoa pot, star bloom daisy. Oh, it's all flower. Or if you want to get it for free, guys, you can go to the reward, and you need to reach level 4. All right. I already got the season 5 seed pack, and I'm going to open it guys, and let's see what we get. Oh, I got cocoa pot. Not bad. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the season 5 seed pack in Garden game of Roblox BCB update part 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.